Hi, my name is Franco Rotoli, and I'm a learning experience expert on the Solidworks training team. Today, I'm going to show you some quick shortcuts to commands in xApps. Let's jump into the 3D Experience platform and take a look. For this video, I'm using the xShape app. These shortcuts work in other xApps as well. When designing, we often need to create reference geometry like planes, axes, and sketches. These are very helpful while modeling, but can be distracting when trying to show off our design. While it's very easy to click on each one and hide it, it can take some time. By simply pressing the V key on my keyboard, it brings up the View Filter dialog. This is also accessible from the View tab on the action bar. So from here, I can hide or show all my planes, sketches, axes, and more with just one click. The next keyboard shortcut, it's the S key. This context-sensitive shortcut can really reduce mouse movement and hunting around for tools. In this case, since I'm using xShape, the S key will bring up tools like sketch, pattern, fillet, and more. When I go in to edit a subdivision, the S key shortcuts change. Now I have access to crease, symmetry, extrude, and others. Also, every instance of the shortcut menu has search capability, so I can type the name of a command and access it quickly from here. Finally, the last shortcut for today is called the shortcut ring. It's accessed by dragging the right mouse button in a certain direction. The shortcut ring is also context sensitive, so if I'm just in the model, it's mostly view orientations. When I go in to edit a subdivision, it changes to subdivision tools. Don't forget, all of these shortcuts work in other xApps like xDesign, xDrawing, xSheet, just to name a few. So no matter which app you're using on the 3D Experience platform, these will save you time and mouse movement. Thanks for watching. For even more great content, click on the link in the description below to access additional tips, tricks, and training courses. And as always, happy modeling.